Here it is, 2002 Ford Explorer Limited. V8. Old ride's got some problems though. Needs some type of engine work done, which could be major or it could be hardly nothing. It was my mother's and she'd spent many thousands of dollars on it here in like 2016. And then it went out again. It's got like no power basically. And it's been sitting ever since. July of 2016 is the last time I was inspected. Alright, I'm trying to get this battery. So I can see if I can get this thing to start. Mouth is dry. Alright, here it is. Finally got this Explorer running. Well, it's about to shut off.
Weird seeing this car.
I can't really drive it because I gotta disconnect that battery thing. I had a terrible time getting it started. Finally put some starter fluid in it. God, it was running alright, and then all of a sudden it changed. Did you hear the way it sounds different now?
Yeah. Started.
Smells stink bugs.
I almost smell gasoline.
I smell so many stink bugs.
Okay, here goes that one. This is the old car. It's kind of hard to get in because it's on the side. Lean like this.
Alright, so I got this thing started. See, as you can see, it runs. The engine now does sound a little rough. Yeah. I'm just testing it real quick and making a video, okay?
I said when I was off.
Alright, y'all be quiet for a minute so I can get...
Wait.
Yeah, it still doesn't have... I'm not going on the road. Still, I don't know, it feels like it's got all the power now. No, it doesn't. I got it floored now and you can hear that it's not getting the power it should have.
Yeah. Well, you should do it again.
But it is running. Whatever's wrong with it, maybe minor, maybe major, I don't know. Well, I'm just making a video, bud. Here's the engine island. can hear, I guess, that knocking noise.
Where he's saying, "Oh, we're gonna go on travels," and then I would always like sneak out of the house and go move your car seat to the other
Alright,
side.
shut the door, bud.
So you had to have that seat. I like passing your seats on that side. How about that?
It's got 203, 132. Right here. Now after running for a while, I've got very little power again. You can hear the engine's bogging down, kinda. I've got it floored right now, and yeah, it's like it kicked in a little bit. People are gonna think we're crazy, but even going up like this tiny little hill, which is nothing, yeah, I'm losing power. And I've got it all the way to the floor.
It'd be a pain probably getting up that hill.
See it? Yeah, so now after riding through the yard, I've got it floored, and this is how fast we're going. You can hear the engine is having a terrible time. And it smells like something's burning, kinda.
Oh god, yeah. Probably overheating your engine. Seems like a cooked piece of chickens. Ugh.
Alright, well that's the thinking
Don't do
though.
that.
Well, I'm getting out. I hate to cut it off, because then I don't know if I'll be able to get it started again, but...
Shut up and sit down.